Hello, this is Patrick from XPression, and I'd like to show you some new features in the XPression Clips software and XPression 6.7 software. What you're looking at right now is my encoder tool, and I've got an encoder process set up where things are going to get put into the watch folder for sports, and as I put them in there, they'll automatically be ingested to the sports project in XPression Clips on my system. So what I've got here, here's that folder. Here's a file. I'm literally going to take that file, I'm going to copy it into that folder. You'll see that's being moved across. It's 226 meg. It's a 16 clip file, or a 16-second clip, I should say. Now, I'm going to let that run in the background. I'm going to come back over here to the task manager, and you can see here comes the transcode. You can watch it start, and you can watch this spin through. And as I said, this is a 16-second file, and it is DVC Pro HD, and I am using a third-party tool for the transcoding process from Calibrated to transcode DVC Pro HD on my computer, since that's the way I'm going to get that file. Now, that's been brought across. Now, something I want to point out is this file has timecode in it. So I'm going to minimize these fields, and I'm going to show you a couple of options that are inside the system now. You'll notice on the clip browser window there's settings. There's now a section for timecode, section I should say, for timecode, and I can tell it to use the source timecode for ins and out points. So I've got that there. I'm going to come and find my clip, which was S0, and there it is. You'll notice right now that it's marked for in points and out points, showing the timecode from the source content. If I go to edit, you'll notice also that on the timeline that I also have that same source timecode information. The positioning is also showing me that information for timecode as opposed to the running time, which we normally would display. I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to click Save. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to drag that into one of my server channel outputs. And you'll notice that it's playing. And I click Play, off it goes. And what I want you to notice, it shows me now current is the actual source timecode. And the way that's done, if I look at the options for this server channel, there's channel options, there's a checkbox now for Use Source Timecode. If that's not checked, you'll just get the regular running time from 0 to the end of the clip. But if it is selected, the output that goes to the vertical interval timecode, the VITSI, is going to be either nothing, timecode, or the time remaining. So I'm going to choose timecode here, and that's what's going to get displayed. This will mirror what is going out to that particular window. So if I choose none, I won't see anything change, but if I do remaining, and I turn that off, I'll see it count down. And this would tell me there's nothing on that VITSI. So we've added the ability to transcode it, we've added the ability to display it, monitor it, and also edit that. So there's your source timecode inside of XPression Clips.